Welcome back. In this video, I want to show you how to create your Amazon developer account and where to go to publish your Amazon Fire TV channel. The process is way easier, way simpler, and way faster than on Roku. Actually, it didn't require a separate video, but because Amazon's so big and offers so many services, it's extremely easy to get lost and make mistakes and submit your channel where you shouldn't. The second reason is because a lot of users have done this mistake and they complain that the channel isn't working. To publish your channel, you need a free Amazon developer account. To create an Amazon developer account, go to developer.amazon.com, click on Sign, and then create your Amazon developer account. It's extremely easy and fast. You just submit some very basic information, verify your account, and you're good to go. That's all for now. See you in the next video.